Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It ain't an easy world, but we know it was paper. Doing our best to earn the rest, 'cause we know it was better. While my friends who are beside me helps me feel much better. We dreamed to reach a highest dream, we thought that it was simple. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started doing this, I started making stories. Something about my stories just always seemed to bore me. 'Cause only those who never cared will never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, the story got told. Before I believed it's true, my mind was blurry. Once I was 20 years old. Now I see my goals, I don't believe in failure. 'Cause I know the tiny dreams still we can make it bigger. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. 'Cause if you don't leave before we leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, the story got told. I was blind by everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old, story got told. We've learned about the world and we're still learning. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still trying a fun time, but won't bring children for me. So I can tell them all I know and I can tell them stories. And so my friends